Have you ever wondered if your desires and expectations shape your reality? Do you think that the world around you conforms to your wishes? In this video, we will explore the power of our desires and expectations and how they shape our perception of reality. Get ready to dive deep into the mysteries of the universe and learn how to harness the power of your thoughts to create the life you truly desire. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the secrets of the universe. The power of our desires and expectations lies in the fact that they shape our perceptions and beliefs about the world. Our thoughts and emotions have a ripple effect that extends beyond our own experiences and can impact the people and environment around us. For example, if we hold negative beliefs and expectations about a particular person, our interactions with them may be colored by those beliefs and ultimately impact the relationship. On the other hand, if we hold positive beliefs and expectations, we may experience a deeper connection and positive outcomes. Similarly, our desires and expectations about ourselves can impact our self-esteem and confidence, which can then impact our actions and ultimately our outcomes. By setting positive intentions and focusing on our desires, we can cultivate a mindset of abundance and success that can lead to greater fulfillment and achievement in our lives. It's important to note that while our desires and expectations can have a powerful impact on our lives, we must also be mindful of our thoughts and emotions and work to cultivate a sense of balance and awareness. Too much focus on desires and expectations can lead to attachment and disappointment, while a lack of focus can lead to apathy and a sense of stagnation. Ultimately, the power of our desires and expectations lies in our ability to use them as a tool for personal growth and fulfillment. By cultivating a positive mindset and setting intentions aligned with our deepest desires, we can create a sense of purpose and direction in our lives and achieve greater success and happiness. While our desires and expectations can shape our perception of reality and impact our experiences, it's important to maintain a sense of balance and awareness. By using our desires and expectations as a tool for personal growth and fulfillment, we can achieve greater success and happiness in our lives. Our perception of reality is influenced by our desires and expectations, but it does not dictate the behavior of others or the natural world. It is important to remain aware of our own biases and limitations to make sense of our experiences and interactions with the world around us. The universe is an intricately designed system, and everything in it operates in our favor, enabling us to manifest our desires into reality. However, often we fail to realize this because we are indecisive about what we truly want. Our wavering thoughts and conflicting desires create an illusion of chaos and randomness in our lives. Yet, the universe responds to our every intention, and the events that unfold are the consequences of our own actions, thoughts, and emotions. Therefore, it is essential to take charge of our choices and align them with our deepest desires to create the life we truly desire. When we tap into the power of our minds, we can shape our reality and live a fulfilling and purposeful life. The achievement of our desires is often hindered not by external factors, but by our own limiting beliefs and negative thought patterns. Our own self-doubt and lack of focus can prevent us from reaching our full potential, even if we are inspired to do so. It is our own inability to receive or allow these things that create obstacles in our path. We must learn to overcome these obstacles by focusing on our desires, setting clear intentions, and cultivating positive thoughts and emotions. By doing so, we can begin to tap into the infinite creative power of the universe, which can help us manifest our deepest desires. It is important to remember that the universe is not simply a vending machine where we put in our desires and receive them in return. We must be willing to take action towards our goals, maintain a positive and open mindset, and stay patient and persistent in our efforts. We must also be willing to let go of attachments to specific outcomes and trust in the universe to bring us what we truly need for our highest good. The journey of manifesting our desires can be challenging, especially when negative emotions and present circumstances seem overwhelming. However, it is crucial to stay grounded in our goals and overcome these roadblocks to achieve success. It's easy to get lost in our inner critic and doubt ourselves, but we must learn to quiet that voice and stay focused on our mission. Ultimately, we are the architects of our own destiny and must take ownership of our lives to reach our full potential. Manifesting our desires requires not only controlling our thoughts, but also our focus. It's crucial to keep our attention solely on what we want and allow all other distractions to fade away. Despite any doubts, it's essential to hold on to the belief that our desired person also has an underlying desire to be with us. Their subconscious wiring is connected to us, and as long as we continue to desire them, they yearn to be their best selves. However, it's our own limiting beliefs that may be hindering their manifestation. True harmony between us and our desired person can be achieved once we accept this truth and allow ourselves to receive the full manifestation of our desires. It's essential to remain open and receptive to the signs and synchronicities that come our way. The universe is always conspiring in our favor, and when we align our thoughts, emotions, and actions, we create a powerful force that attracts our desires to us. Moreover, we must learn to let go of any resistance and trust the process. When we hold on to resistance, we create blocks that prevent the natural flow of the universe. Therefore, it's essential to surrender and allow things to unfold naturally. It's also important to maintain a positive and grateful attitude, even when things don't seem to be going as planned. Gratitude is a powerful vibration that attracts more abundance and positivity into our lives. When it comes to manifesting abundance in all areas of life, including love, it's important to shift your focus to your worthiness. Many people struggle to attract love because they believe they're not worthy of it. They may have limiting beliefs about themselves or their ability to find love. These beliefs can create a negative mindset that blocks their ability to manifest love into their lives. To overcome these limiting beliefs, it's essential to focus on your own worthiness. Remember that you are deserving of love, happiness, and abundance in all areas of your life. Recognize your own strengths and positive qualities, and let go of any negative self-talk or beliefs that are holding you back. Another key to manifesting abundance is to let go of any limiting beliefs about love or life. These beliefs can be deeply ingrained and may have been passed down from family members or learned from past experiences. However, it's important to realize that these beliefs are not serving you and may be blocking your ability to manifest love and abundance. To release these limiting beliefs, it can be helpful to practice mindfulness and focus on the present moment. Observe your thoughts and feelings without judgment, and let go of any negative or limiting beliefs that come up. Affirmations and positive self-talk can also be powerful tools for shifting your mindset and attracting more abundance into your life. In addition to focusing on your own worthiness and releasing limiting beliefs, it's important to cultivate a mindset of gratitude. Recognize and appreciate the abundance that is already present in your life, whether it's in the form of supportive friends and family, good health, or fulfilling work. When you shift your focus to gratitude and abundance, you begin to attract more of these things into your life. The universe is constantly working in your favor, and by focusing on the positive, you can manifest more abundance, love, and happiness into your life. In conclusion, focusing on your worthiness and releasing limiting beliefs is essential for manifesting abundance in all areas of life, including love. Cultivate a mindset of gratitude and positivity, and let go of any negative self-talk or beliefs that are holding you back. Remember that the universe is abundant and constantly working in your favor, and by shifting your focus to the positive, you can attract more abundance and love into your life. Thank you for watching this video on how to attract abundance into your life by focusing on your worthiness and letting go of limiting beliefs. Remember, the universe is constantly working in your favor and is abundant. By cultivating a mindset of gratitude and focusing on the abundance that is already present in your life, you can attract even more abundance. So start living a life full of abundance, joy, and fulfillment by shifting your focus towards positivity and gratitude. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more empowering content.